Hello everyone. In this opportunity, I would like to invite you. I would like to inform you to visit my place here at Biak Numfor, Papua, Indonesia. This is a beautiful place, and also if you come, you will meet humble people and so many people are kind. And you can you can looking for some places at the internet, and if you want to go to one place around here at Biak, just come and we will help you to go to the place. So this is a beautiful place and also a beautiful people here at Biak, Papua, Indonesia. So don't worry, just come. Siawi BM go Kawasabiak means